Proportionate selection. Proportionate selection is also popularly known as fitness proportionate selection. This whole strategy is based upon fitness of an individual. We apply a fitness score for the individuals of a population, and then the individuals are selected as a parent for the next generation on the basis of that fitness score in the whole of this strategy. Proportionate selection method or fitness proportionate selection method is actually the original selection criteria which was proposed for genetic algorithm by John Holland. John Holland was the guy who is the creator who actually proposed these genetic algorithms. So he also proposed initially a selection criteria which is still majorly used for selection of parents in a genetic algorithm. This is one of the most popular way for parent selection in different types of genetic algorithms, and is also one of the most successful strategy for parent selection. In this method, individuals are selected on the basis of their probability, having as much high probability of their fitness. So by this we mean that the more fitter the individual, the more chance that individual has to be selected as a parent for the next generation. So in simple word, it means that the selection of a parent is directly proportional to its fitness value. So for fitness value assigning, one can use any type of a fitness function, but it should be kept in mind that a type of fitness function may be chosen which can assign fitness scores which having a clear-cut differences among them. क्योंकि कभी कभी इस तरह भी होता है कि जो फिटनेस फंक्शन का बिहेवियर है इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन के दरमियान जो डिफरेंस बनता है, अगर वो डिफरेंस ज़्यादा ना हो तो फिर इंडिविजुअल्स के आपस में जो सिलेक्शन है दैट विल नॉट दैट मच ईजी टू बी सिलेक्टेड फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड. सो जो फिटनेस फंक्शन का बिहेवियर है उसको भी कंसिडर करना चाहिए ताकि इंडिविजुअल्स के बीच में क्लियर कट डिफरेंस हो. सो इस बात को कंसिडर करना होगा. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस सिलेक्शन मेथड, द मोर फिटर द इंडिविजुअल will have the more probability to be selected for the next generation, and that individual have a higher chance of propagating their characteristics to the next generation. Such selection strategy can apply selection pressure to the individual, and thus more fitter individuals will be selected for the next round over time. जैसे जैसे राउंड्स बढ़ते जाएंगे इंडिविजुअल्स की जो फिटनेस है उनके बेसिस पे मोर फिटर इंडिविजुअल सेलेक्ट होंगे, और हमारे पास ये गुंजाइश मौजूद होगी कि जो नेक्स्ट राउंड में इंडिविजुअल्स जा रहे हैं वो कंपैरेटिवली प्रीवियस जनरेशन से ज़्यादा फिटर है. सो क्योंकि जो सारी स्ट्रेटजी है इट इज़ प्रोपोर्शनल टू द फिटनेस स्कोर ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स इन दैट स्पेसिफिक जनरेशन. But it should also be noted that this strategy can only work better or can only work if the fitness scores are greater than 0. इस तरह भी हो सकता है कि किसी जनरेशन के दौरान कुछ इंडिविजुअल्स ऐसी भी आए जिसका फिटनेस फंक्शन 0 हो, तो जहाँ पे 0 फिटनेस स्कोर होगा वहाँ पे फिर ये सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया जो है ये अप्लाई नहीं हो सकता. तो फिटनेस फंक्शंस भी हमने ऐसे अप्लाई करनी चाहिए जो हमें फिटनेस स्कोर जो है वो किसी भी सूरत 0 से ग्रेटर देन 0 जो हमें वो फिटनेस स्कोर्स प्रोवाइड करे. Better individuals no doubt will have the probability to be selected with higher chances for the next generation, but the beauty of this criteria is that individuals with lower fitness scores may also have the chance to be selected for the next generation, or they may also have the probability to breed and to produce offspring for the next generation. Means probabilistic method है, कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है, कोई भी इंडिविजुअल जो है, कोई भी क्रोमोसोम जो है वो सेलेक्ट हो सकता है, बट प्रोबेबिलिस्टिकली जितना उसका फिटनेस स्कोर ज़्यादा होगा उतनी उसकी सिलेक्शन की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो उस राउंड में उतनी ज़्यादा होती है. We can consider a wheel-like structure, and on that wheel-like structure that is divided into n pies, where n is the number of individuals in that specific population, and each individual find its place on that wheel, which is proportional to its fitness score. So the more the fitness score, the more the portion of that individual will have on that specific wheel. There are two implementation of fitness proportionate selection method. There are two most popular methods of this category. One is known as Rowlett wheel selection method, and the other one is called stochastic universal sampling. So there are two variations of this method. Both of them are used universally, but Rowlett wheel selection method are used more popularly than its respective other counterpart.